Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a content page to your modules in Canvas and how to add various content into that page. So the first step is to go into your class that you want to add the page in. So I'm going to click on the class on my dashboard, and the next step is to click modules. And here are my modules. Right now they're organized as units, but you may have them organized as chapters or as weeks. Just depends how you do it. So what you do is you go to the module, and these are the module titles with the gray background, and these are the items within the module. And to add a content page within this module, you go to the right of the title and click the plus button here. Then it's going to open up this box where you are going to choose what you want to add. And in this case, we are going to click where it says assignment, and we are going to change it to say content page. Before we do that, I just want you to notice the other options you have on this page here. You don't have to just add content pages. You can also add an external URL. So if, say, you wanted to send them to an article in the New York Times, you could click this external URL, type in the link or paste it in, and you can add links to your modules as well. So that's kind of good to know that you have different options here. But for now, and also a file, here's the file one. So if you wanted to upload a PowerPoint, you would choose this file. But we're going to do a content page. So we're going to click on content page, and we are going to create a new page. So we're going to click new page, and you can title it here. I'm going to call this videos, and then click add item. And you will see at the bottom of my module, this was the module where I clicked the plus. At the very bottom there's a new page here, and it's called videos, and you can drag and drop this up and down within the module or leave it where it is. And you'll notice that it's got a gray circle with a line through it. That means it's currently unpublished, which is a good thing because I haven't added anything into this page yet. So now that I've kind of created the page, I'm going to click on it, click on the name of it, and that's going to take me to this blank page. So right now it's blank, it just has a title. What we need to do next is click on edit, which is the pencil, and that's going to open up all of this stuff. So for here, you can paste in your lecture notes, or in this case I'm going to add some videos. So I'm going to show you how to do a variety of things in here. So let's say we were talking about Freud. You might want to type a little bit about him. And then we're going to add a video. So I'm going to click on the V for videos. And these are all of the video options you have. There's quite a few here. Intellicom's a really good resource, I think, for different subjects, as well as films on demand. YouTube, we all know YouTube and TED Talks. So if you know of some on there, for now I'm going to click Intellicom because I know they have some good videos on psychology. So I clicked Intellicom, and it's taking its time. There it is. So what we're going to do is in the search box here, we're just going to type a search term. In this case, I'm going to put psychology. And then, let's see, I clicked enter. And then here it is, 458 videos found. And you can go down the list and find what you want. You might want to look for something a little more specific than just psychology. But here's some adolescent social development. This gives you the information. So this talks about what this video is about, and below it says the runtime. So this is, I think, I think that means 2 minutes. We're going to go ahead and click embed. You can also preview the video. I'm going to click embed, and that's going to put this video into my content page. So I have a little sentence introducing the topic. Now I have a video in here that the students can watch. And let's say I wanted to add a link. I could go one step below the video, just click in that box and click enter. And then I could paste a link in here. So first I'm going to find a link. So I'm going to, let's see, so this is adolescent psychology. Let's say I'm going to do a search for video game addiction and see what comes up. So here's an article from Newsweek about the World Health Organization talking about video game addiction. And so if I wanted to include this article or a link to it in my page, basically you copy this link up above. This is the address to the link. I'm going to copy that and then go back to Canvas, and I'm going to type what the actual link is to. So I'm going to say Newsweek article on video game addiction. Then I'm going to highlight this sentence. I'm going to move my mouse up into this toolbar, and I'm going to click on the one that looks like a chain link, and that says link to URL. So I'm going to click that link and then paste the link. And you want to make sure that the link looks okay. And then once it's in there, you click insert link. It's going to turn this thing blue. All right. So that's a few things in here. So I'm going to go ahead and click, if I'm happy with this, I'm going to click save and publish. But once you do this, once you've saved it, you want to test it out. So I'm going to click play, make sure the video plays okay, which it is. I'm also going to test this link here, so I'm going to click on the link and make sure that yes, it does go to the article that I wanted it to. Okay. And then I'm just going to go back to my modules. And I like to double check that the content page is published, which it is, got the green check, and that it's in the right area. All right, so that's kind of a long-winded tutorial, but that's basically going to get you started on adding a content page with videos and links in it to your module. So hopefully that helps. Thank you for watching.